On this occasion we will change the coil and AC and relocate the AC. As a first step, pump down and demolish the old AC. Continue with the old coil. Remove the tape, the screws, cut the condensation line. Cut the copper lines. And take out the old coil. Clean copper lines with special liquid to remove impurities. Prepare the new coil. Prepare the copper connections with the new filter dryer. Run a small atmosphere of nitrogen inside the pipes and proceed to braze. Continue in the condenser and its new location. Extends the electrical circuit and the copper lines. And again, braze with nitrogen atmosphere. Install the fuse box. Apply nitrogen pressure to confirm zero leaks. Remove the nitrogen and start the vacuum. The vacuum should be below 500 microns for R410A. Break the vacuum with refrigerant. If you need to charge a new system, do so before opening the valves. Open the valves. Install fuses. Turn on the thermostat and that's it.